Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Code with Santosh. In this chapter, we are going to learn about browser editor and folder structure for HTML. So first, browser. So there are so many browser options are available. Like you can use any browser like a Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, etc. So to run a HTML file, you need a browser. If you don't have a browser at the moment, kindly install any of the browser and then try to run a HTML file on that. My preference is Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, at least try to install the Chrome so that you can easily inspect the issues there. Okay. You can also use any of the browser. There is no restriction on that, but my preference is Chrome. So this is all about the browser. And our second topic is editor. So without editor, we cannot write or code a HTML page. You need a editor to create a HTML page. There are so many editor options are there, like you can use VS Code, Sublime Text, Coffee Cup, Notepad, or Notepad++. In the case of Notepad or Notepad++, you will you have to face some of the difficulties because HTML tags are not known to these editors. But if you use some other editor like Sublime Text, VS Code or Coffee Cup, they know that what is HTML. So they highlight the tags of the HTML. So in my case, I am using Sublime Text. Let me open the Sublime Text. So this is the Sublime Text. I'll just click on it. I have installed the Sublime Text earlier. If you don't have this editor and you want to use this editor, you need to download this from the internet. It's free, so you don't have to pay anything. And this is the editor. So to try to create a HTML file, you just need to type HTML. And one more thing you need to do first, here you can see that plain text, just change this into HTML. So now I will again try to write STM, and again you can see that some indication has come here. So you can, the editor is easily can identify that this is HTML tag. So you just write STM and then press tab. After pressing the tab, it will automatically create a empty file with basic tags so that you can code it easily. But if you use some other editors like Notepad or Notepad++, this won't happen there because they don't know that where is HTML tag and how to handle that. Okay, so this is all about the editor. And our third topic is folder structure. So folder structure is very important when you move to advanced level, because if your files are not organized properly, then it will create problem for you as well as your co-developer in future. So we also need to know how to create a folder structure. So let me go to my desktop and I will create a folder here named as HTML. Okay, this is the folder HTML. Okay, this is the root folder where my all project related files will be there. Okay, fine. So here in this folder, I need to create three folders again, like one for images. So whatever the images are there, I will keep in the image folder. And there is another folder I will create, that is JavaScript, or you can type script. It means all the script, JavaScript related files will go there. And our next folder will be CSS. So all the CSS files will be here in CSS folder. So I had created this empty HTML file. I will save that file into the, I will save this file in that folder. Okay, let me type something so that you can easily see. This is a project. Okay, let me save this file. So in desktop, this is HTML file, and here I will save this file. So our normally in our project we save our main file or root file as index.html. Okay, you can save it by any name, but normally the developers make the main file named as index.html. So I will also save this file as index.html. Okay, fine. This file is saved here. I'll go to in this folder and I can see that this is my file. I will double click on it so that this file gets open. So you can see that this is the project which we have written in the editor. Here it is displaying on the browser, right? So there are no CSS used for the time being. That's why it is showing as a default text format. If you add some CSS, then you can show it as you wish based on your requirement, right? Okay, so this is all about the editor, browser and folder structure. That's all for this video. Before moving forward, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. It will give me a huge motivation to create such videos. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in next chapter. Bye bye.